How to use the Monochrome chat theme on Facebook. Now, let's say you want to change a chat theme on this specific conversation. Now, the very first thing you're going to do if you want to change the theme of a Facebook Messenger chat is to tap on that conversation right there and click on this eye icon on the upper corner right here. Now, once you're here under customization, you'll be able to see a section or an option that says theme. So you just have to click on that and then scroll down until you find Monochrome chat theme right there. Now, once you've located that, you'll be able to see, once you tap on that, the preview as to how your chats are going to look like. Now, if you've decided that this is going to be the chat theme that you will be using, all you have to do is to tap on select right here. And now you have changed this specific chat conversation into a monochrome chat theme. So that's how to use monochrome chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Hope we help.